If you are planning a short visit to Albania, you may need a short stay visa, also known as Visa Type C. This visa allows travelers to enter Albania for a short period, with a maximum stay of up to 90 days within a 180-day period. The Albania short stay visa is mainly used for tourism, business visits, family visits, and other short-term purposes. Depending on your travel needs, this visa may be issued as a single-entry or multiple-entry visa. The application process is fully online. You do not need to visit an embassy or consulate to apply. Applicants must complete the online form, upload the required documents, and submit the application. Once your application is approved, the eVisa is sent by email. You should print a copy and carry it with your passport when traveling. Always apply in advance and check that all your details are correct before submission. With an approved Albania short stay visa, you are ready to enjoy your trip to Albania.